Hi, very windy, it's cold. We're looking towards the Penrhys estate, and around this area you've got Erybeddau, the Acre of the Graves. So another video up in Penrhys. So you've got some rather interesting scoops being taken out of the ground to create this sort of little mound here. It's about 1/2 metre in height. It's got this little scoop in the ground, and as we sort of run over towards here, we've got another little bit of a scoop in the ground, and it teaches us to look a bit more. And we've got some more humps and bumps towards the windmill. It's a rather strange, interesting landscape. So this is video 1 on a very cold Sunday up at Penrhys. Look out for video 2. Sorry if the sound isn't too good. And this one, this is a rather weird feature. There's a big dip in the ground. So and there's another dip in the ground. So you've got all these scoops out of the ground. The answer is why? Are they sumps? Which is really unlikely because of the rock around here. So we'll say hello to little Arthur. There he is. He don't like being filmed. And there's some nice outcrops of stones in the distance. So over towards Tonopandi, and you've got Treorchy in the distance. Thank you very much.